Take a look at your desk right now. It's just a table. But what if I told you that in just 2 years, your entire concept of a workspace will be shattered? We've gotten exclusive access to prototypes and blueprints for desks that aren't just furniture, they're AI-powered command centers that can literally think for themselves. From desks that morph to your body, to surfaces that are one giant touch screen, the future is closer than you think. Today, we're counting down the top 4 desks that will make your current setup look like a relic from the Stone Age. If you care about your productivity, your health, or just owning the coolest tech, you need to see this. Don't forget to subscribe. Number 1. Uplift Desk. The Uplift standing desk has evolved a lot over the years, and in 2024 has become the most impressive standing desk we've ever had the pleasure of trying out. It's been writer John Martindale's main standing desk for years, now, and beat out his original, more affordable option with its sheer build quality and impressive sit/stand mechanism. The dual-motor design is quiet and smooth, with impact detection and strong liftability that lets you mount a range of displays, electronics, and gadgets, or even climb on it if needed, without trouble. It is expensive, especially if you opt for the real wood surface and add-on accessories, but if you want a customized desk to work and play at with the option of standing to save your posture and burn some calories, the Uplift is the best option out there. Number 2. Convenience Concepts Modern Student Desk. If you are looking for the most affordable desk you can find because you just spent every penny on an office chair, supplies, games, and so on, then this Convenience Concepts model is probably just what you need. The design's 2-go no-tools student desk is very affordable, and because it comes lined with pre-made holes, it can be put together without any extra tools or strenuous labor. The desk also includes enough space for your accessories and books without being too cumbersome, though the surface is probably better suited for a laptop since it measures only 15 inches deep. The lack of space helps keep weight to a minimum, however, which makes it easy to move around should you need to transport it. Number 3. Furino Go Green Home Computer Desk. Here's a great desk for when you don't really want a computer desk at all but still need an occasional computer work area. This Furino desk can easily serve as a table in the entryway, bedroom, dining room, or anywhere else. The Furino Go Green Home Computer Desk just happens to have the right space and proportions for plunking down your laptop or setting up your PC for a work session. It includes the use of recycled materials in its composition, so it can also meet a preference for environmentally friendly furniture if necessary. Number 4. Vivo 32-inch Desk Converter. If you don't want to buy a whole new desk just to get the ability to sit and stand at it, you can always augment your existing desk with a desk converter, like this excellent model from Vivo. It has a large, 32-inch base that is big enough for multiple monitors, or just one large ultra-wide, although it is also available in smaller and larger sizes, depending on your needs. You get a range of vinyl finishes, from wood grain to metallic. It's sturdy and strong, able to take up to 33 pounds on its lifting mechanism. That's enough for even some of the larger monitors out there. There's also a built-in keyboard and mouse tray, to keep your arms at the right height for good posture. It's fully height adjustable, too, so you can make it the right height for your needs, rather than trying to fit yourself to the desk's demands. So, which of these future desks would you choose? Are you ready for a desk that's smarter than your computer? The race to redefine our workspace is on, and the winners are going to be the people who are prepared. We've compiled links to all the early concept pages and manufacturer announcements in the description below. If your mind is racing thinking about the future of your setup, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with anyone who needs a new desk, and subscribe for more sneak peeks at the tech of tomorrow. The future of your workspace starts now.